This is Sutherland Networks with a brief overview on how to use Streams. There are 3 ways to log into Streams. First, using Chrome, log into Streams by typing in the web address streams.us. Enter your login and password. Please ask your administrator for your credentials. If this is your first time logging in, a security registration code will be sent to your email address. Enter the 6-digit security code and select Register. Second, you can use your iPhone or Android device to download the Streams app from the App Store. Follow the same login directions that we talked about before. Or third, you can download the app for Windows after logging into Streams and follow the same login directions as previously mentioned. Now that we have logged into Streams, let's get started. Streams is a valuable tool that can work in conjunction with your desk phone. It also has the capability to make and receive calls via the built-in soft phone. Your computer must have a headset or built-in speakers and a microphone for this to work. In the top left-hand corner is the soft phone. You can input a phone number here in this field, and then click the handset icon to make a call. This box is for SMS messaging, which is also the same as sending a text to users on their cell phones. In this field is the dial pad. It's used to make calls. D&D is Do Not Disturb. This is used when you don't want to be interrupted by a call. The call will go directly to voicemail or bypass to another device depending on the call forwarding plan. Select the call forwarding icon to change which plan to make active. The default is the daily plan, which rings the VoIP phone about 4 times before going to voicemail. You can also change your call forwarding plan to voicemail or other plans created. Be sure and select Save to make the plan active. And details on how to create a call forwarding plan is addressed in another video. This icon shows your presence. By default, the system will determine if you are logged in, available, or on the phone. The end user will see your presence, which is helpful to determine whether to either call you or maybe message you instead if you're on the phone. You can also set up custom messages such as out to lunch or not at my desk. This icon shows you if you have a voicemail. You can play, download, or delete the voicemail from here. And voicemails can also be sent to an email. This icon is used for managing your UCC groups. They are all your contacts. By default, it will show only users logged in, and you can change this by selecting these choices under View Options. And you can also sort by first or last name and user ID. This icon is to set up teams and other contacts. Directions on how to do that are described in another video. Continuing on to the next line, we have Recent Activity. By selecting this field, we can see all the recent calls, SMS or IM messages, and voicemails. If your seat is set up for a fax, this icon will show the status of a fax being sent and sent and received faxes. To look at the fax, double-click on the item and then double-click on the PDF file. Received faxes are also received via email. To send a fax, click the blue plus key below and type the fax number you are sending it to. Choose the PDF file to send and then send fax. Next is the contacts icon, which shows users and non-stream users in the account. In the Search People field, you can type letters to bring up contacts quickly. When selecting the person, you can call or create a Connect Me. Persistent Monitor is also available if you have the upgrade to Live Monitor and have Supervisory enabled. By selecting the handset icon, it will use CTC or Click to Call, which means the call will start by calling the device selected before calling the end user. If you double-click the user, you can instant message the user in this field. You can also select custom messages already predefined or create your own. In this field, you can add files, create a live stream event, or SMS message. And to the right, you can see the end user information along with pinned messages and all files sent and received. Live Monitor is an upgrade to the Business Plus seats. This will show actual phone calls in use. With the supervisory mode active, users can silent, whisper, and barge into a phone call. This next icon is Smartbox, which allows you to save and share files in the cloud with security. A separate video will be added on how to use Smartbox later. This next icon is how to create a Connect Me session. You can ad hoc or schedule a web conference with or without video. There is a video with detailed information on how to set up Connect Me sessions. This concludes our How to Use Streams overview. Please check out our other training videos, and for questions, feel free to contact us at 951-541-4202. Again, feel free to contact us at 951-541-4202 if you have any other questions. Thanks so much.